What is going on, everybody? My name is Jacob Doherty, and I'm a licensed agent with JP Wygand here in town. And I just have a little market report for you, just an update on the current real estate market, where we're at, what you can expect. And this is going to be going off our data that we have collected for the month of May, and that will be from our South Central Kansas board here in town. So starting things off, home sales in South Central Kansas fell by 25.9% in May of 2020 compared to May of 2019. What does that indicate? What does a decline of almost 26% in sales indicate going into this year? It indicates that our inventory is low. It means that not as many homes are being closed on, which is because there's not as many homes for sale. If you're a buyer out there, there's just not as much inventory to choose from right now. And if you're thinking about listing your home, not as much competition, meaning your home price is going to be priced accordingly. So both ends of that right there. Going on to the next topic, among existing homes, 797 units sold in May. That is a decrease of 25.4% from 1,069 units that sold in 2019. So again, that's an indicator. Inventory is declined, sales are declining as well. Average sales price of existing homes in May of this year was $173,521. School is good for counting numbers, obviously, or not, I guess. Represents an increase of 6.2% from May of 2019, which had an average sales price of $163,382. So home prices are going up. That is because inventory is going down. That's the ebb and flow of the market, supply and demand. So there's not as much inventory. Home prices are going to raise. If you're a buyer, not so good. Seller, very good. Contracts written in May were up 13.3% from last year. This does reflect, in part, from this data, what you can expect to close in the near future, or sales you can expect to close in the near future. So this is a good sign for our next month. Hopefully, the month of June will have more closings than this month or last month of May. Lastly, inventory of active listings in South Central Kansas stood at 1,393 units at the end of May, compared to last year being 1,992 homes. So that's a big decrease. What is that? I think around a 25%. I don't have statistics on that one, but that is like a quarter of the listings gone. So we're not seeing that inventory that we had in the past. Inventory in the past wasn't good either. It's been a seller's market for a while now, and now we're just seeing a more exaggerated form of that. So at the current rate of sales, all these figures represent a 1.6 month supply of inventory. So that number being low, it's not very good. So as of right now, a couple things. If you're a seller, great time to sell your home. Add to the limited inventory that we have in South Central Kansas. You'll get a good price for your home. There's not much competition, and frankly, if you're in the right market at the right price, you're going to close, and you're going to close fast. Buyers, you're going to have a lot of competition. So if you're thinking about purchasing a home, know that you need to get in there fast. You're going to have to price that offer well. And there are, especially in first-time home buyer markets, there are 10 other pre-qualified buyers who are ready to put in an offer in. So if you see a home, look at it as soon as possible and try to get that offer in ASAP. Last thing is that this is a seller's market. So there are a couple good and bad things, and I just went over a couple of those previously. But just know that with this market that we're in, there's low inventory. Low inventory presents some good things, some bad things. So just be aware of the market you're in. I don't see any signs of the inventory going up. It probably will continue to decrease, meaning home prices are going to continue to go up. And we just need to be ready, or you just need to be ready if you're out there thinking of buying or selling a home, that is the market we're in. So plan accordingly. If you have any questions about the current market, or you'd like to find out a little bit more about where to price your home, or maybe how to find a home in the area, and what are some figures to go off of, go to my website at icalljake.com. You can find some more information there. Contact me, and I will make sure to educate you the best I can on our current market in Wichita and surrounding areas. Thank you, everybody. I hope you're having a good start of your summer. I know it's been a crazy year, but stick in there. We will get through this. And as always, until next time, thanks, guys.